Hello. So in this video, I want to share something that I think could be useful, which is how to analyze your asset group performance within PMax. And we all know that Google does not do a good job at, showing us this data. So I have a video where I actually showed how to set up a script that allows you to see your asset group data. And I'm going to link that somewhere up here or in the description below. But I just want to show how to just analyze that data that you have. So watch that video, do the setup, and then once you start to collect data, you can analyze it. So I'll show that right now. So this is what you get once you've implemented the sheet in the video. You have the campaign performance. If you have multiple campaigns, you can see how they're performing. You can see your asset groups, and then you can see a bunch of other things here as well. But for today, I'm only going to be sharing your asset group performance. Now, within PMax, you obviously would have a dashboard that looks like this with all your asset groups in there. So you basically just need to then go into the sheet to look at how your asset groups are performing. In this PMax, we have about 6 asset groups live at the moment. And then we can see how they are all performing here. So this is the campaign name, and then we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 asset groups, and then we can see the amount of impressions that we've gotten. You can see number of conversions, you can see the conversion value, you can see ROAS, we can see clicks, we can see click-through rate, and we can see cost per acquisition. Now, looking at the ROAS data, we can see that this campaign or this asset group, which is the feed-only asset group, is getting the best ROAS inside of the campaign at a 3.6, and then we have the asset group 2 performing similar to that at a 2.9, and then we're also seeing that there's another asset group that's at a 1.8. Now, just looking at all the 6 asset groups, this one seems to be underperforming, compared to the ROAS goal, and this could be different for every brand, right? So in this case, if this is something that is performing way below your goal, then you can consider turning, an asset group like this off and then start to test new asset groups, right? And then you can also look at things like a conversion value to make that decision. So for example, this is at a 1.8, but with a 4K conversion value. And then this is also at a 5.9, this is at a 3.8, this is at a 4.4, at the 7.4. So, even in terms of conversion value, it also seems to be performing poorly. So this could be something that is worth turning off, except there is like external data to prove that this could be left on for a while, right? And then you can also look at the click-through rates, your CPA, and a bunch of other things like that to kind of say, okay, which of the asset groups can I leave on, and which ones can I turn off, right? And now this will be different for every brand based on what sort of campaigns you're running. Now, again, I'll put a link to how to set this up because I know a lot of people might not have this data readily. So if you're able to set this up via the script, I think this will be very, very helpful in terms of how you look at your PMax data. Now, in my next video, I am going to show how to look at your PMax data in whole, right? This is holistically, not just looking at your asset group data alone, right? Now you can look at your performance max data in a very holistic manner, and that'll be my next video. So stay tuned for that one. So bye for now, and I'll see you guys in the next one.